Fireworks. I really love fireworks. In fact, I love fireworks so much that last year I decided to modify 15 of these tiny ground balloon flowers into homemade rocket motors, and then I strapped them to a skateboard. Now, while that sounds really cool, and honestly, it looks pretty cool, I just had to do better, because as this is a project channel, I can't just modify fireworks, I have to build them with questionable quality. So this year I decided to go all out and build my own custom fireworks. And I only gave myself 48 hours to do that. Welcome to the channel, my name is Axel, and I like to build stuff. Let's get building some rockets. Since of course a firework is completely dependent off of the fuel it uses, let's start with making the fuel. To do this, I'm going to use KNO3 or potassium nitrate and some powdered sugar. For the percentages, I'm going to mix 20 grams of potassium nitrate with 10 grams of sugar in this little cup. Next, I'm going to take this bar of magnesium and grind it down into a fine powder, which I can then use to make the fuel a white color. Alright, so we got a small sample of the rocket fuel right here. Let's see if this works. Well, that test seemed like it had a little bit too much sugar. So in this time, after changing the formula a little bit, I decided I'd get to 3D printing the new enclosure. So after packing it with 70% KNO3, 28.5% sugar, and 1.5% magnesium, it was time to test this firework. Alrighty, so got the rocket in place, got slow-mo camera going. Let's light this puppy up. Okay, there we go. Ignition. Alrighty, that's something. Okay, so yesterday's 3D printed firework did not turn out very well. However, this doesn't mean I'm going to stop. Instead, I'm going to use what everyone else uses in their custom fireworks and rocket builds. PVC. After cutting 3 pieces of 4-inch PVC, I had to cover the ends. However, because this is a very small town, most of the small businesses here are actually closed, so I can't just go get kitty litter. So instead, I'm going to have to use something like electrical tape. Alright, so I finally got all the rockets done. As you can see, quite the mess. I'm going to put these materials away. I'm going to do one test run with this rocket, and then these 2 I'll shoot off tonight. And then besides that, yeah, I'm pretty excited. Let's go do it. Alrighty, so we're out here, we've got the rocket right here. It is ready to launch. Well, it's not really much of a rocket, it's more of a fountain. So, yeah, let's get it started. 3, 2, 1, go. Yo, kind of like a smoke bomb. What the heck? It's crazy. That. Yo. Holy crap. Look at all that smoke. I don't know if it'll focus, but holy. That thing's a smoke bomb. One thing I do want to add. Tonight, I know you won't be able to see it, but I will be dousing these in water just to prevent them from, I don't know, lighting again. I've had it happen in the past. So let's dunk this in some water and let's test it tonight. Oh, Yeah, one thing. Before I light off the fireworks, I'd really like to thank the 712 of you guys who have decided to subscribe to my channel. You guys are honestly the ones that keep me going, and I cannot thank you enough for how generous you guys are. Also, if you don't mind sharing this video with any of your friends, that would be absolutely wonderful, and I can't thank you enough. Let's light off some fireworks. All right, and in 3, 2, 1. Yeah! Bro, that was crazy. Alrighty, so that was actually really cool and all, but what does it look at complete darkness? We've seen it at day, we've seen it in a little bit of light. Now let's see what it really is at night. Alrighty, in 3, 2, 1.
One thing, that feeling you get when you suddenly know everything. Bring me to life. My eyes are open, my thoughts alive. Here in this moment, got caught up in this endless night.
Yo! Oh my goodness, that's so cool. So those fireworks shows were actually really impressive, and I have to thank you guys for inspiring me to do this. I look forward to doing some more chemistry in the future, but for now, you'll just have to wait for that. So if you want to watch another video, click right here to watch another, or if you want to subscribe, click right here, and I can't thank you enough for doing that. With that, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.